Now, let's have this example. Relative to the ground, what is the gravitational potential if you have a 12 kilogram ball falling from 150-meter tall building? Now, for this one, it's actually very easy as long as you know the formula. The formula is potential energy is equal to mass, gravity, height. Now, remember, dapat naka-kilogram, naka-meters, at naka-second. So that will be 12. So that would be 12 kilograms multiplied to 9.8 as our gravity times 150 meters. Now, if you solve that, you will have this answer. Yan, 18 kilojoules or 17,640 joules. So next one. At what height above the ground should a 4 kilogram bag of rice be placed to have a potential energy of 196? Now, this is more of algebraic, and we know that potential energy is mass, gravity, height. And then I want to know the height, P. So P divided by mg is equal to the height. So 196, I'll just put a parenthesis, 196. I-divide natin sa mass. What is the mass? 4 times 9.8 as gravity, and that will give me the height. And that answer here will be 5 meters. So that would result to 5 meters. Next one. Let's say you lift a 2 kilogram basketball ball from the floor where its gravitational energy is 0, potential energy is 0, and then you lift it to the 2.4 meters, carry it horizontally to the window and drop it off. Now it falls 12 meters to the ground. Now, what is the gravitational potential when it hits the ground relative to the floor? Okay. May highlight ng akong words dito, guys. The one that I will highlight is this word, relative to the floor. What is the potential energy relative to the floor? You have a 2 kilogram ball. Now, kung reference sa floor, wala yung potential. Wala naman siyang height. Nasa floor lang yan. So, ang ginawa mo, inakyat mo yung bola natin. Inakyat mo. At hinulog mo, inakyat mo ng 2.4. And then you put it out the window and then hinulog mo with a total of 12. Now, ang tanong, what is the potential energy here? The potential energy is mass, gravity, height. So we know that it's 2 kilograms times 9.8. Okay, kilograms. But I have a question. Ilan to? Can you tell me? Ano yung height na gagamitin ko? 9.6. Thank you, Dayan. Thank you, Vian and Michael. Yes, it's 9.6. This is 9.6. Thank you, Lyra. So this is multiplied to 9.6. Okay, so if you compute for that, the potential energy would look like this. So the potential energy would look like this. Now, since it must be measured, kasi relative to the floor, normally kasi ang potential energy ay sa taas lang siya, tapos pababa. Taas and pababa. Pero ito kasi relative to the floor, so we have to put a negative here.